In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make changes on your Volusion website quickly and efficiently. If you're new to Volusion or simply looking to update your website, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Volusion. Once you land on the Volusion page, you'll need to log into your account. This is the gateway to accessing your website's backend where all the customization happens, so make sure your login credentials are handy. After logging in, navigate over to the storefront and launch the Site Designer. This is where the magic starts. The Site Designer is an intuitive tool within Volusion that allows you to make real-time changes to your website with ease. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you should find it straightforward to use. Next, you'll want to hover your mouse over any area of your storefront that you wish to edit. You'll notice that as you do this, areas become outlined with a dashed blue line. This visual cue indicates that the section can be edited. It's a helpful feature that streamlines the process, ensuring you know exactly where you can make changes. To get started on editing, simply click on the Edit button that appears. Now you have the control to type in your changes, whether you're updating text, altering a description, or swapping out an image. Once you've made the desired adjustments, find the checkmark icon. Clicking this icon will save your changes. It's designed to be intuitive, so once you get the hang of it, editing will feel like second nature. As you make these changes, they are automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about losing your updates. However, should you need to backtrack for any reason, there's a helpful feature located at the top right corner of the storefront. Here, you'll find options for undo reco and the capability to revert all changes from the current editing session. This gives you the flexibility to experiment with different looks and functionalities without the fear of making permanent mistakes. It's a safety net that means you can try new things with confidence. And that's really all there is to it. Making changes on your Volusion website is designed to be seamless and efficient. Being able to manage and edit your website with such ease means you can keep your content fresh and up to date, an essential aspect of maintaining a successful online presence. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to take full control of your website's design. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to dive in and start customizing your Volusion site today.